We just made our first $1,000 RV full-timing and doing exactly what we love.
We're going to show you exactly how we did it.
Welcome back to the RV Odd Couple. My name is John.
And I'm Mercedes. Long story short, we sold all of our possessions to live free and independent and adventurous lives.
And we are doing exactly that.
This video is all about how we made our first $1,000 on the road. We're going to share with you how we support our lifestyle and share with you our plan that we took to be self-supporting.
How do you guys make money? Did you retire? Are you rich? Which we are not. All these questions. And so we're going to share with you how we made our first $1,000 and how long it took us.
The other thing we want to do is dispel a lot of rumors, because sometimes people assume that just because you have a YouTube channel, you're making thousands and thousands of dollars. And we're also going to share with you some expensive and really heartbreaking mistakes that we made while trying to figure out how to make money in this new technological economy.
So in this new economy that we have, if you have a lot of experience doing anything, you can make money online sharing that experience with others. And you know, it's interesting because we know a lot of our viewers are above 50 years old, so they have no idea what this space is and how you make money doing this. But we're going to share some of that with you guys today. And a lot of the same guys that are asking this question and our older subscribers, they have a wealth of information. They've helped us out like you would not believe. And in some of the emails that we've received with all this information about do this, and this, those same people could turn into a blog article, put some links in there, and you can make a few bucks off of the information that you already have.
A big part of our channel is sharing the good, the bad, and the ugly. And so we want to tell it to you like it is. Really what we're talking about is developing multiple streams of income. And the reason that's so important is because we believe that to be truly independent, we have to be our own boss. The number one myth is that people assume that when you're your own boss, you don't have to work that hard. And so we do work harder. The difference though is that we're in charge. We're the ones that are really determining the course of our destiny. And that's what we craved when we decided that we wanted to go on the road and live this lifestyle.
So when Mercedes and I first started talking about living this lifestyle, we were able to build up almost a nest egg and give us an opportunity to pay down our debt and give ourselves at least a year, hopefully two, of living this lifestyle. What we're doing is we're sharing with you exactly what we're learning as we go through the process and how you really can make money doing this.
So one of the first things we did is we had a plan, and I think having a plan is so important. So we had an idea of what our expenses were, and so having an estimated budget, we were able to say, okay, this is how much we would need to live 6 months, to live a year, etc. And I think from there, because a lot of people think you have to be debt-free to do this, you don't have to be debt-free, but you should.
You should, and you should have some money in the bank.
Yeah, and a lot of people also think that, you know, that you could make a lot of money within a couple months. I would not put my family's financial security on that idea. I would definitely assume that it would take at least a year of blood, sweat, and tears before you're self-sustaining. Now, every individual is different. Some of you guys may have some retirement income that's offsetting you guys. So you really have to be specific to you, but we're encouraging you to be as intelligent as possible, to take your time and to plan as strategically as possible.
It all starts with a spreadsheet. You know, Mercedes and I took a good year before we finally pulled the trigger and started downsizing and moving into an RV and planning to live full time. We did watch a lot of videos. We did take some courses. You know, we spent thousands of dollars on a personal consultant to show us how this all works. So we probably had an edge on most of the people that are jumping into this space right now, an edge that helped us succeed. And we can tell you that it took us 3 months to make our first $1,000. We're starting to reap some of the benefits of actually all the work that we've done, the countless hours that we put in building this channel and sharing information so that newbies coming behind us don't make the same mistakes that we made.
So we're going to get into the first stream of income, and we are going to call this stream YouTube and Google AdSense.
Right.
Because YouTube is owned by Google, and when you watch YouTube videos, sometimes you'll notice that there is an ad that pops up, and that company pays YouTube a fee to put an ad up. And there's all these different types of ads. We don't want to get into the muddy details of it.
If you skip those ads, we don't get paid.
In order to get that kind of income from YouTube, you have to meet a couple of requirements. The first requirement is that you have to have 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
And then the second requirement is watch time, and it's what, 4,000?
240,000 minutes is what you need to actually be able to become a partner of YouTube and start making money off advertising.
And that can take a while.
Take a long time for some people. We made it pretty quick.
We launched our first video on December 8th, and we were monetized, mid or end of February?
Yeah.
That's not normal.
It's not normal. In our first full month of advertising, we did almost $850 on YouTube, which, again, that's a really good month for YouTube revenue. The other side that Mercedes hasn't talked about, the Google AdSense side, is on our blog, on our website. We get paid by AdSense. They put ads on our website. And so we kind of are going to combine all the money from Google and YouTube into that one section.
And some of the positives of this income source is that it can be recurring. It could potentially keep making income. But one of the negatives is that you're not really in control of your destiny, you know, because you do rely on people being interested to watch. There's so many things that are outside of your control on that. So it's definitely a good option, but I would not ever recommend anyone say, I'm going to completely support my family just by making YouTube videos.
Yeah, again, go back. Have a plan when you're going in.
The other good thing about YouTube is that it opens doors, and so that is very valuable. You can't put a dollar price tag on that, but people get to meet you, they get to get a sense for you, and it could open up different opportunities or
sponsorships, products. As soon as you start getting popular on YouTube, you're going to get contacted by a lot of different people wanting a lot of different things. So the next piece we're going to cover is affiliate links, and now this can go so deep and far. When you watch our videos, at the very bottom in the description area, we give you all kinds of different links. So to campgrounds, to products. So that means when you click that link and you sign up for a campground membership, we get a referral fee.
And it doesn't cost you anything extra.
Doesn't cost you anything extra
if you use our affiliate links. And that's, I think, very important because you're not, you know, they're not going to pay more because they used your link. And I think it's really important in the affiliate world that you feel good about what you're offering. Because not all of our links are affiliate links, but some of them are. Some of them are just really helpful things that we want to share. But the ones that are affiliate links, you need to make sure that it's something that you really believe in because you're essentially putting your name on that product.
Yeah, and we've got hundreds of requests to do people's products, and we've got a few products that we've accepted, but we're not going to do reviews on those products until we really know that we like it and it's not a piece of junk or a piece of crap. You know, and like for instance, the InSync, we did the InSync. He sent us the product for free. We liked the guy that sent it to us. We liked the product, so we did a short video on it. Now, look, there's our InSync right in front of us.
We're literally, yeah, and that's, I think, what's important. It doesn't feel like you're selling because you love it, and that's...
And every time you use one of our links through Amazon, we get a little bit of money for that InSync, and it doesn't cost you anything extra.
Yeah, so I think it's really important to have integrity in this affiliate world. And if you are putting an affiliate link out there for something that you haven't used,
make sure it's not a piece of junk.
You're an idiot. You have to use it. You have to believe in it because integrity is so important.
Yeah.
But we learned a really hard lesson in this affiliate world. So we signed up with Amazon and we gave them a different website and we made all these things with all these links. So we had a video go viral and all of our links were null and voided. And I was literally crying on the phone with them saying, can you look at this? Can you look at this? Can you activate it?
And they, sorry, you didn't list RV Odd Couple as the website.
So
which is, again, our mistake.
Yes.
But we lost probably a couple of $100 with that mistake.
Yeah, so be very careful. When you have affiliate links, you really need to have a place where you organize all of them. Or if it's affiliate relationships, you need to keep on those affiliate relationships and only work with people that you know have integrity.
And trust, you know, and that's going to stand behind their product. And if there ever is a problem, they'll fix the problem. They'll replace your product and they'll give it a good warranty. Even if you try using one of our links and you don't buy that product that we're linking to, just by clicking that and logging into your Amazon account, we'll get credit for any purchase you make, all purchases that you make. Very small percentage, it doesn't cost you any more. So just a big, big thank you to anyone who has helped to support our family in doing what we absolutely love. So there are literally hundreds of ways to make money online, and we're only actually doing about 4 or 5 right now. Another way that we're trying to make money is with merch or products, you know. So we put a product out, which is "Don't Make Me Roll My Ball at You." It's a t-shirt. We sold a few, and we actually took all the money from that venture and we put it to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. As far as another product, we are just started doing shark's teeth.
Yeah.
I shared in a video that this is what I do to calm my mind and to settle myself down. These are all shark's teeth I collected walking the beaches when we lived in Florida for 4 years, and then Sage and I make them, and we've made a few sales on those so far. But you know, we've decided to try to sell our own product.
When you're going to sell product, you have the dilemma of deciding, do you have the product with you? Because if you're in an RV, that's a little tricky. Luckily, the shark's teeth are small enough that we can travel with them. It's not like we have, you know, tons and tons of really heavy merchandise with us. And then there's other companies that they can make the product for you and send it out on your behalf. So that's a whole other world, and we're just scratching the surface. But then another type of product that you can make is an information product. And that's something that we're working on, because we've made so many mistakes that if we could just tell one new family, hey, this, and this, we could save them so much.
Yeah, we started this process over a year ago.
Yeah.
And we started a YouTube channel about 3 months ago. December, exactly. Yeah. So, and we're just starting to make money now. Well, we're taking lots of notes and watching the mistakes that we made, and we're building a program to help other families that want to go out and be free and be independent and adventure the United States. Once we know it's going to work, we'll always tell you the truth and tell you exactly what you need to do and help you grow your business so that you can be independent.
The next area, or the next way you can make money on the road, is sponsorships, and this can take on many different forms. So you can have product sponsorships where a company will email you and say, hey, how much do you charge to review my product and to give it a review? Well, I don't want to be beholden to anybody, and I want to be able to say, man, this really stunk, if it does stink. So we haven't gone to paid sponsorship for products.
No.
We've done more collaborative things where they'll give us the product for free, and then we are free to say whatever we believe.
If we like it, we'll make a video.
So the title of this video says how we made our first $1,000 on the road. And our experience was that in 1 month we made 500, and then in the next month we blew past that. So we're going to give you kind of the totals. As we started our YouTube channel, December 8th was our first video. We got monetized February 20th.
Yeah.
Which is really good.
That's
in
fast.
This space.
That's fast. I wouldn't expect to do that fast, guys. We got very lucky. We're very blessed.
And then in February, with affiliate links and with YouTube and a little bit of merchandise, we made $500. And then in March, with this the same thing, like affiliate links, merchandise, and YouTube, we are at like $1,200 for the month of March.
Right. So we blew past 1,000 into near $2,000 territory. We do notice that it's getting easier as it goes along. We're learning how to work better with each other. We're learning how to meet in the middle of our creative differences, and you know, one of the things that I'd like to say to the veterans out there is that you guys have sent us personal emails. Some of the relationships we've built with people are amazing.
Yeah.
And some of these guys in their 50s, 60s, even 70s send us these emails with this information that is so valuable. You know, that if you even started your own blog or your own YouTube channel, you could make a little bit of extra income doing exactly what we're doing right now. So hopefully in the future, we'll be able to put together a program to show you older folks how the digital economy works, the new digital economy, because the older portions of our society have a wealth of information, and they could make a fortune if they learned how to share that and how to monetize the information that they've learned from their experiences over the years. So hopefully we can help you guys with that, some of you with that stuff.
So be sure to put your questions in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up, and check out our next video where we talk about even more good stuff.
Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.